Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Alright, let's go. I'm going to go crossbar first to get it out of the way. Please don't go over. Oh.
It's too low.
You can see that. I'm going to put it in the hole, not put it next to it. It's impossible to get height. Don't put it in the hole, it's impossible to get height.
I'll show you how to get a height. So close. I'll show you how to get a height from in a hole. It's easy. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, Kyron, you can beat Bailey, can't you? Neither of you are trying to score. Right, neither of you are hitting the woodwork. You're trying to score goals at the minute, aren't you? Bush.
Left post.
Left post. Stop trying to hit the ball when you're saying different posts. You're trying to? Okay.
By the way, if you hit a joint, it counts as both. Crossbar and post.
Yeah, it does. Get off me, fly. Go on, Kyron. Bailey, stop messing around in the net. Try and walk away, Bailey.
You feel one part, not on the other.
Hold the camera, I'll get him out. Kyron, hold the camera. Get a big zoom in.
Don't hurt me.
Come closer.
No!
Come
You're gonna kill me.
closer.
I'm alive!
There you go. Should we start again?
No, we got the camera. I was literally about to say, if I die, turn my mum over.
Do you actually? You're such a hater. Right, here we go. We're back again.
Said that.
Ah, Kyron's winning!
Don't go too much.
Why? Because you're going to go and not hit it.
Kyron, I'm sorry. Kyron's viewers, I'm sorry.
Bailey's viewers, I'm sorry. I just like Bailey's viewers, I'm sorry.
I think you might win now because you got the hardest one done. I've hit loads of crossbars on camera.
Yeah, he has. And none of them count.
Right, left
Hey!
post. I thought I was actually aiming. Hit the joint. Crossbar and left post down.
And it's not going to work, right?
Right. That was terrible. No, I'm going left post, by the way, not right.
I know. That's why I said right.
Like me, it's really hard.
Oh, by the way, if you hit both joints, you've won. Because you've hit the crossbar twice.
There's a lot of running.
You hit both the joints on camera.
Oh, yeah.
What the hell is that?
It looks like me in front of me. Oh! 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 That was the best goal I've ever scored in the left side. Ever. Oh my God.
But you still missed the woodwork.
That's got to count.
No.
In the post. Nah. It has to hit it. It has to hit it.
Like Kyron said.
Should we make a video on hitting the stanchions?
Of all of us, yeah?
Yeah.
Because I think I know how to set this up where it'll hold.
I have a plan. I'm just going to hit it.
This has been on for 5 minutes and we've only hit the crossbar.
Twice.
Look at that ball, it's so juicy.
Oh my God!
Stop. This is Sparta. Go on, hit the post, Kai. Go on, look at that juicy ball. I want to eat it. I'm a dog, by the way. Num num num. Rough.
Oh.
Oh!
I'll say what.
I need to fart. I need to fart. Ready? 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 You're going to hear it.
This is the stop my laugh.
I doubled the sloppiness.
I'm scoring some sick goals. You can get that.
I doubled the sloppiness. I did it twice.
I'm still scared for my viewers and myself.
Good.
This is when you turn the camera away from me. I'm going to keep doing the balls in a minute.
No, you're not.
Watch out, he's got it. He's not going to hit it. You go for this post? Yeah. No, I'm not.
No, he's going for the bench over there.
I got all of them last time.
No, Bailey's going for the bench over there.
Oh, I got them all last time you dated that. Did you? Yeah. Run! Oh, I think it'll take longer that way. Not really run. Getting green.
Come on, Kyron, get back. This for the players.
Actually, the video's actually been quite long, so we just say first to hit bar wins. Alright, from now.
Yeah, because it's almost been 8 minutes.
Right, I'm about to win. I'm about to win, guys. Come on. Now we hit the post. Now we hit the post.
When it's
I'm trying to go to bed at that other post. That actually hit the post, though. That's so annoying. I know how you feel. You better. I always did. I know.
you sad person.
It doesn't come out. I need a fart, but it won't come out.
I need to poo, but it's not going to come out. Oh! Can I have a go at crossbar challenge?
You're not used to it.
I'll take your turn.
No, you won't.
When I get my new iPhone, I will be.
Yes? Oh my god.
Bailey, bad touches there. Get off me, fly!
Right, if you...
You've annoyed me so many times, I'm going to squash your head into a prune. Bye. Prune.
Oh. Now that was a good shot.
That was, but it was a bad shot because it missed. Heads. Boot it.
Hit his head, is it?
Might though.
We said we get 2 more shots each.
Yeah, 2 more shots.
Look, I'm replaying what I done last time.
Get the...
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are. You missed quite a few times last time.
Every time apart from that one, but we're going to edit that out, so don't worry.
No, we're not.
No.
We're not. Do you have to stand with your butt side to me? Do you have to stand with your butt side to me? Bye. Camera's on you, Belle.
The onus is on me.
Camera's on you, ball.
This
Oh,
is
you
for my
juicy
love of carrots.
ball.
Oh!
It's not for your love of carrots, because if it was for your love of carrots, you'd have hit it.
It did hit.
No, it didn't.
In my imaginary world.
Get off me, you gnats.
Should we say we're allowed to volley it?
No, because that'll go even further.
Who gives a damn?
Me,
Why?
because I'll be the one running after it. I'll be the one stood behind the goal running after the ball.
You're letting your viewers down. I'm glad to put it on my channel.
You're both letting your viewers down, because if Kyron's viewers watch it, they'll know Bailey LE is on it.
I'm Bailey in disguise. Bailey
Can I show you how to do crossbar challenge? Because I'll miss too. Show you how to do crossbar challenge, I might actually hit it. Ow! Oh. Camera's on you, juicy ball. Hello.
Hazard. I've let him down.
Oh, that was decently close.
I've let him down. You got the post, alright? Yeah. After this clip, you might as well end the video because it's about to be finished. I shouldn't say that because it's not going to hit me.
Carrot crunchers.
Bang. You put me off, you cunts.
See you next Tuesday.
Black Gully.
Who's Black Blade?
Black Blade.
Yeah,
I said black goalie and he said black blade.
Black goalie?
Yeah, black goalie. Yeah, he's Toe Chisel.
Who's a black goalie?
So black goalie, he always wears black clothes.
Who's that?
No. Toby Chisel, yeah he does. He doesn't wear black clothes because he's black. Not racist, Toby. Oh.
Come on, if you hit it, my arms are getting tired.
I'll hit the double.
No, you won't. You haven't hit it every time so far.
I'll hit the post, so shut up.
Oh, Kyron's hit the crossbar. No.
May I have your crossbar clip? Huh? May I have your crossbar clip? No. And then put it on the end? No. Wait, if we can. I'm a toe.
You said it was going to end here, Bailey. Bailey,
How long
Ellie.
has it been?
Almost 13 minutes.
We've got 2 more minutes. Okay, game changer. Game changer.
Not game changer. Get off me, you
No, it's the
freaking
game
gnats.
changer, but it's the game changer that makes the game.
Oh,
Game changer.
not.
It is. You're way more close.
You trying to sound like Captain Jack Sparrow?
I'll try my best. Yeah. You were there. Oh, we'll take shots from here.
Kyron, you got a bit of grass on your back. It looks like you got an extra tail.
Good.
Good. Crossbar! Bye! What the heck? Bailey!
Bailey, you're going to get your foot stuck again.
Yes! Hurry up! Oh my god! Oh, phew.